Hello and welcome to Data Logic with Shivam. In today's video, we are tackling a common issue which is called duplicate data. But before moving forward, I would request you all to go through my Power BI interview question playlist. These are real interview questions and you can find the PDF of these interview questions into my TopMate page. The link of this TopMate page is given in each video of YouTube description box. Now let's move to our today's topic. So as I said, in today's video, we will tackle a common issue which is called a duplicate data. If you have ever worked with a data set full of repeated entries but still need unique insight, this tutorial is for you. We will use Power BI and some simple DAX formula to calculate the total unique customer, find the average revenue per unique customer and count the unique product sold. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step even if you are a beginner. So let's dive in. Let's move into our data set. So here's the data set we are working with. We have customer name column which contains repeated names for customer who have made multiple purchases. We have product column where list of products sold with duplicates for repeat purchases. And we have revenue column which shows the amount earned from each transaction. Our goal is to extract meaningful insight without deleting any data. So let's start with first insight, which is total unique customer. So for that I'll create one new measure. I'll name it as unique customer and then I'll use distinct count for counting the distinct customer name, and then I'll take the customer name column and then hit enter. So I'll add one new visual which is card visual, and I'll add this newly created DAX which is unique customer. So now you can see we have 5 unique customer. So let's validate. We have John, Jane, Alice, and then Tom and Emma. So these are 5 unique customers which we are having it, right? Now let's move to our next insight, which is average revenue per unique customer. So for calculating the average, we need to divide our total revenue by unique customer. So I'll create new measure and I'll name it as average revenue per customer. And then I'll divide this total revenue. So total revenue is the measure which I have already created. It is a simple sum of revenue, and then I'll use the unique customer DAX. I'll hit enter. Now before adding this new measure into the visual, I'll move to our third insight, count the unique product, and then we will add both of them into visuals. So now I'll create, so for next insight, which is count the unique product count, I'll again create a new measure, and here as well I'll give the name as unique product and I'll use distinct count and I'll use the product column and then close the bracket and hit enter. Now we will add these two newly created insight and DAX functions into visual. So I'll create one more card. I'll copy this one and then paste it beside it, and then I'll remove the unique customer. I'll take the unique product. So here we have unique customer and unique product, and then I'll create one table as well here, and I'll expand this table and then I'll add product, customer, revenue, and then average revenue as well. I'll move the font size as well to 14. So now you can see we have average revenue per customer as well. Okay, now we will add one slicer as well, and here in slicer I'll put product, and so when you filter a specific product, you will see how the totals and averages update dynamically. And that's it. You now know how to handle duplicate data in Power BI using DAX. So we calculated total unique customer, average revenue per unique customer, unique product sold. These techniques allow you to analyze data without altering its integrity. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video to support the channel, subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks, and comment below if you have any question or suggestion for further videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.